Have you ever wondered how much water your garden consumes and how you could reduce it without compromising its beauty? Sustainable gardening practices are crucial, especially in light of the significant amount of water gardens typically use. One of the ways to achieve this is through barrel rainwater harvesting, a simple yet effective method. Barrel rainwater harvesting is a process that captures and stores rainwater for later use. This sustainable practice is more than just eco-friendly gardening. It's about embracing nature's cycles, turning the sky's bounty into a resourceful tool. Think about it: cutting down water bills, easing the burden on our municipal water systems, and ensuring a steady water supply in times of drought or restrictions. Quite the green thumb's dream, don't you think? Now let's dive into how you can set up your own barrel rainwater harvesting system. Setting up a barrel rainwater harvesting system at home is easier than you might think. Let's walk through this together. Our first step is to select a suitable barrel. Your barrel should be durable, non-toxic, and ideally dark-colored to inhibit algae growth. Next, we need to position our barrel. Look for a downspout that directs a good amount of runoff from your roof. This will be our water source. Now, let's install a spigot near the bottom of the barrel. This will allow us to easily access our harvested rainwater. Don't forget, we need to create an overflow outlet. This will prevent water from overflowing when the barrel is full. Our final and crucial step is to cover our barrel. This will prevent mosquitoes and other pests from turning our water source into their breeding ground. And just like that, you've created a sustainable water source for your garden. Imagine the satisfaction of watering your plants with rainwater you've collected yourself. The simplicity of barrel rainwater harvesting is matched only by its rewards. So, why not give it a try? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more sustainable gardening tips. Happy gardening!